High pressure in the eastern parts of Ontario, eastern parts of Pennsylvania, western Florida Panhandle, Four Corners region, and low pressure centered in northern Idaho, Nevada, western Texas Panhandle, and northern Minnesota. Further by in western Washington and Oregon coastline. Further by down from western Ontario. Further by in northern Quebec. Further by down from southern Quebec. Further by from central Texas down from Mexico. Further by from southern Nevada down from Arizona down from western Mexico. In region here, and further by from southern Colorado down from northern Texas here. 24 degrees out temperature right now in Boston. It's 29 out in Washington D.C. 55 in Atlanta. 74 in Miami. 80 in Brownsville. 82 in Dallas, Texas. 50 in Kansas City. 27 in Chicago. 13 in Minneapolis. 1 above in Great Falls, Montana. 57 in Seattle. 58 in San Francisco. 63 in Los Angeles. 55 in Salt Lake City. 46 in Denver. And 62 in Albuquerque. Regional temperatures here. It is 24 out in Boston, and it's 21 out in Bedford. 23 out in Beverly. 22 in Gloucester. 22 in Norwood. 26 in Taunton. 25 in Bedford and Provincetown. 27 in Marshfield. 25 in Falmouth. 23 out in Chatham. 24 in Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard. 22 in Buzzards Bay. 25 in Block Island and Westerly. 21 out in Smithfield. 20 out in Webster, 20 in Southbridge, 24 in Milford, 19 in Worcester, 23 in Fitchburg, 20 in Gunner, 22 in Greenfield, 23 in Northampton, 21 in Springfield, 22 in Windsor Locks, 23 in Hartford, 22 in Meriden, 18 in Waterbury, 20 in Danbury, 24 in Bridgeport, 25 in Raven, 23 in New London, 23 in Montauk, 24 in Islip, 24 in New York City, 17 in Albany, 14 in Bennington, 19 in Keene, New Hampshire, 23 in Nashua, New Hampshire, 19 in Manchester, 20 in Concord, New Hampshire, and 22 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Here. Okay, let's take a look at our HPC forecast discussion here.
Judge Carol Ball said with no prior convictions, she was left to follow the sentencing guidelines. 2.5 years for Lewis. He's out after
Drought relief and heavy rains and massive snows will continue over California. Another surge of Arctic air will set the stage for a widespread winter weather event across the Middle Mississippi and Ohio valleys later this weekend. And strong winds and upslope snows expected over the northern Central Rockies and adjacent high plains. The onslaught of precipitation will continue across California as a strong Pacific front progresses inland over the western United States. Friday evening, precipitation will spread eastward and the boundary while it pushes out throughout the Four Corners region, and ample Pacific moisture getting pulled into this system will support moderate heavy amounts across the southwestern corner of the nation, especially given the help of the terrain. Snow levels will be relatively high with the event, but accumulation of a foot will still be possible along the Sierras and Colorado Rockies. Accumulating snows are also expected over high elevations of the Golden Rim. Also, even as the front presses well inland, persistent offshore flow behind the surface boundary will allow the drought relieving rains to continue over the southern California throughout the metro weekend. Strong high pressure northern land from western Canada will push yet another surge of anomalously cold air into the north central United States, which should spread south of the east throughout the nation this weekend. Initially, lack of moisture across the eastern 2/3 of the nation will limit the precipitation of a few light snow showers will lead the cold front while across the Great Lakes Friday night and into Saturday. However, the G from the Pacific System impacting California and Friday ejects out for the Southern Rockies on Sunday. The stage will get set for a widespread winter weather event. Increasing amounts of moisture getting lifted off of the Gulf and over Renton. The Arctic air mass in place will support a wide swath of snow and ice to the north on the frontal boundary stretching from the middle of Mississippi and Ohio valleys. Elsewhere, high winds and upslope snows are expected with a strong pressure gradient set up along the northern and central Rockies, adjacent high plains, west of the Rockies, and increased non-shore flow will be sweater rain and higher elevation snows of the Pacific Northwest this weekend. There. Forecast discussion here. High pressure builds over the New England tonight, then moves off throughout the Maritime Saturday. Weak cold front moves throughout New England Sunday morning, then stalls west of the South by Sunday night. A winter storm may then move along the front that passes South New England. Expecting South New England will depend on how far south it passes. Unseasonably cold, dry conditions will continue at the end of next week. Near-term forecast, high pressure building overhead with a very drier mass in place. Throughputs this afternoon are below zero. In many places were less than 10 below zero. Except clear skies, light winds and radiation cooling. The lower points will be allow room for temperatures to fall near zero away from the coast with cold spots around 5 below. Guidance mainly above zero. We cough roughly 5 degrees off these valleys to get the minimum temperature forecast. Here.
Stands for this sovereignty, territorial integrity, and democratic future of Ukraine. I also commend the Ukrainian government's restraint and its commitment to uphold its international obligations.
Okay.
We will continue to coordinate closely with our European allies.
This is accumulated snow likely Sunday morning and Sunday night and Monday morning, but how much remains uncertain here.
All of you in the press corps and the American people in 4.
Probably 4 more inches. Highest amount will be around southeastern Massachusetts and south of the Pike and Rhode Island. Probably 4 or more inches. And probably 8 or more inches. Highest probably will be down in the coast. Southern Rhode Island and down to southeast Massachusetts coastline and then keeping the islands there. We'll keep you posted here. Alright, let's take a look. Let's take a look at how's the weather outlook, shall we? Day 1 of that, how's the weather not expected at the time.
A spokesman says they are actively...
Day 2 for Saturday for Thursday. At this time, a winter storm is still anticipated for Sunday night and the Monday evening. Portions of Connecticut, Rhode Island, and southeastern Massachusetts have the highest probably of reaching winter storm criteria snowfall, especially one in portions of the south coast. There will some certainty in the forecast. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this. For tonight, mostly clear sky, low end 0 degrees, west wind about 6 miles per coming common evening. Saturday, mostly sunny skies down here 33 degrees, calm wind becoming up about 5 to 9 miles per hour in the morning. Saturday night, mostly clear sky, low end 27 degrees, south wind about 7 miles per hour. Sunday, chance of snow showers before 1 p.m., then a chance of rain showers between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m., then a chance of snow showers after 4 p.m. Cloudy with a high near 37 degrees, west wind about 5 miles per hour becoming common in the morning. Chance of precipitation 30%, little no circulation expected. Sunday night, snow likely mainly after 11 p.m. Cloudy sky, low and 28 degrees, calm wind becoming a north around 6 miles per hour to midnight. Chance of precipitation 70%, Monday, snow mainly before 2 p.m., high near 27 degrees. Chance of precipitation 8%. Monday night, chance of snow before 9 p.m., mostly cloudy skies, low and 8 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday, most sunny skies down here 24 degrees. Tuesday night, Parkhouse skies low 9 degrees. Wednesday, parts of sunny skies down here 26 degrees. Wednesday night, Parkhouse skies low to most skies low 11 degrees. Thursday, parts of sunny skies down here 32 degrees. Thursday night, mostly skies low 20 degrees. And Friday, parts of sunny skies down here 40 degrees. Peter's weather phrase of the night, of the evening. Freezing Friday on tap for the night. This is PJ with a good night. Good evening with a good positive attitude. See you 11. Have a good evening.